Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever tried browsing in Microsoft Edge and suddenly got the frustrating "your connection isn't private" error, you know how annoying it can be. Don't worry, today I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step guide to fix this issue for good. Stick around because these methods really work. First, let's understand why this error happens. Usually it's caused by SSL certificate verification problems, which are basically the browser's way of saying it can't trust the site's security. But fixing it is easier than you think. Check your system date and time. Believe it or not, an incorrect date or time is one of the most common causes. Press Windows key plus I to open settings. Go to Time and Language, Date and Time. Make sure Set Time Automatically and Set Time Zone Automatically are both turned on. Restart Edge and try accessing the site again. Often, this alone resolves the error. Clear browsing data. Old cache and cookies can sometimes interfere with SSL certificates. Here's how to fix it. In Edge, type edge:/settings/clear browser data in the address bar and hit Enter. Check browsing history, cached images and files, and cookies and site data. Set the time range to all time and click Clear. Restart your browser and check the site. Temporarily disable interfering software. Sometimes your VPN or antivirus can block secure connections. To troubleshoot, temporarily turn off your VPN. If you're using antivirus software like Avast or Kaspersky, locate the SSL scanning feature in Settings and disable it temporarily. Once disabled, refresh the page in Edge. If you follow these 3 steps, checking your date and time, clearing your browsing data, and disabling conflicting software, the "your connection isn't private" error should disappear. And that's it. Quick, simple, and effective. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and leave a comment if you have any other Edge issues you want solved. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.